bro.
You like it or not?
Bro, I'm liking. We are Tata brothers.
Yeah, Tata.
We are Tata brothers
Yeah,
now.
also Tata. Now you are going to open new Tata group.
Tata group. So hello everybody. Good morning. I'm NZ and welcome to my vlog again. Yeah, right now I'm inside my car again. Just now came out from my home. Today's video is special one because today my buddy English maker is gonna take delivery of his new car. First ever car in his family, yeah. So right now I'm going to pick him up. Then from his home we'll go straightly to the showroom. And then we're gonna take the delivery. So keep watching and you will know what car he's going to take delivery today. Yep, enjoy the video. Let's go. So guys, right now I have reached this guy's home, this English maker guy's home.
Yeah.
He has been so impatient this week.
Yeah.
He has been calling regularly to the showroom.
Very angry to me because I calling every second.
every day he calls. Once in the morning and once before sleeping. Like a girlfriend.
And suddenly I'm not sleeping. Okay, very excited, man.
Very excited because it is your first car, na bro?
First car with my pocket money.
Yes, with your pocket money. Yes.
and guess the car, guys, is the Audi or Mercedes.
Audi, Mercedes,
or BMW.
So this is your garage, huh?
Yeah, I'm going to
Make garage here. Okay.
It's my first cars, and I will make in future just one by one every car.
Every car one by one here.
And next year I will buy
What?
Jeep Wrangler.
A Jeep Wrangler. Wow. So it's a Tata car. So we are gonna get his Tata car with my Tata. Tata should sponsor us, na bro?
Huh?
Tata should sponsor us.
Yeah.
And one more friend here for your face, Dhruvo. He is not female. He is male. Okay, so right now we are heading to Tata showroom because he's getting Tata car.
Yep.
You excited, na bro?
Yes.
You couldn't sleep last night, na?
No sleeping.
No sleeping, no eating.
I'm just thinking.
Just thinking about your past car.
Yeah.
Okay. And after getting the car, party happened, na bro?
Yeah, today
Hardcore party.
New car happened. After that, dancing car happened. I mean dance party.
Oh, dance party. Oh, I mean. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. Don't think negative, guys.
Yeah, I'm always positive, guys.
Yeah.
Stay positive in life, but don't be corona positive.
Okay. So let's go. Very excited.
Hey, Tesla.
Tesla event.
This is the T, Tesla.
Oh, T for Tesla.
Local Tesla.
Local Tesla.
Driver, you sleep.
Driver, you can sleep also. Yes.
Sleep, yeah.
Yes. Wow. So now we have reached the showroom, waiting for the car to get ready, and he's getting ready to do some paperwork, na bro?
Yes,
Ready
bro.
to give your money?
Yeah, ready to pay.
Now all the paperwork is done. Now getting ready to deliver the car, and he will also cut cake.
Yeah.
Now bro.
Yeah, bro. 1, 2, 3, go, cut.
Woo! Congratulations for your new car, bro. So my bro, he is taking the delivery of the all new TATA Tiago NRG 2021 model, na bro?
Yeah, it's SUV.
Good.
I'm going to buy pants, but
Yes.
pants waiting period is too much.
Pants,
I cannot
yeah.
wait anymore.
Yeah.
I can manage with this.
Yeah, bro. So this is the TATA Tiago NRG, bro.
Yeah.
This is now you are inside your car.
Yeah, bro.
How is your experience inside your
Awesome.
own car?
First car with my pocket money.
Yes,
Feeling
bro.
awesome.
Yes. And thanks to your lovers, supporters,
Yeah,
viewers, na bro.
Very thank you so much for your hardcore support because of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, congratulations, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, let me shake your hand.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
You like it or not?
Yeah, bro, I'm liking. We are Tata brothers.
Yeah, Tata.
We are Tata brothers
Here
now.
also Tata. Now you are going to
Tata,
open
Tata.
new Tata group.
Tata Group. We reached here at 10:30. Now it's already 3 o'clock. It took so long to do some paperwork. Now everybody, we'll go head back home, and tonight it's gonna be party, na bro?
Yes, bro.
Let's go.
Don't think negative, okay? This
Yeah.
is my car. This is not Nissan.
That's a
is
new
my
car, and this is your car. Okay,
Yes,
ले
this is
चला.
my car.
ले मेरे गाड़ी तू ही चला. So just now came out from the showroom, and now already putting some accessories like foot mat and armrest, and gonna put the seat cover later on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now after fitting its accessories, it's already dark. It's getting dark. It's 5 o'clock now. Oh, took delivery. It was nice. He's happy now. Now we'll go back to his house and maybe party na, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
party.
Yeah.
Dark party.
Dark party. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button. See you in next video. Bye bye.